with snow, dude. Covered with snow, dude. Here we go. Ah. Snow squall came out of nowhere. Dude, your face is all white. You poor baby. Hey guys, so woke up with a little dusting this morning, but it's not too bad. I gotta take my brakes down, gotta stop at the bank, take out cash, and then and head to the shop. Alright, so today is Thursday morning. It's not quite 10 yet. We are on our way to the shop. It's a beautiful morning. It's definitely warmer than it has been. Been getting freezing temperatures lately, so we're hitting 352 and we're heading west. Heading back down the painted post to the shop, and hopefully with the brakes that I got can get fixed. Last time we were down there, I walked the whole Riverside painted post for a while. We did Bob Evans, Tops, went to the Chemung River, all that time while waiting and then finding out that the brakes were the wrong size. So during that time I had to order new ones, and the new ones finally came in and sitting right next to me here. And I just had to stop to the bank quick to grab the cash, so I'll be there. Yeah, I'll be there in a couple minutes. Good morning. How you doing? Doing good. Yes, got the right ones this time. At least I hope it is. Drop them. Yeah, how long is it gonna be?
It'll probably be a little bit before we can get it.
I'll probably run over to Bob Evans for breakfast or something. Cinnamon roll French toast farmer's choice. That's a lot of things to choose from. One in particular is the cinnamon roll French toast farmer's choice. Or the cinnamon roll French toast. I mean, that's new. Might do that. Yes.
All right. See you later.
Thank you. They're good. Definitely looks good. Was that banana bread or? Ooh, that's good. Alright. I love blueberry. Blueberry or chocolate chip. Yeah. Or M&M. Yeah. Yeah. Alright.
2050 today.
Okay. We'll do card. No, you can toss that. Thank you. You too. No, car's still out. Hasn't been taken in yet. It is definitely busy today.